children, how are you? I'm your science teacher Gayatri from Guntur district. Do you have pets in your house? Do you know what they eat? Where they live? Where they sleep? To know some information about the animals around us, let's take a glance.
Students, look at the overview. Animals helps us in many ways, so we need to know about them. Animals can be classified based on the place they live, how they move, what they eat, how they communicate. Look at the learning objectives. Students, by the end of this lesson, you will be able to identify the food habits of animals, classify the animals based on their dwelling places, identify the simple features of animals, and also you can share the information on how they help us. There are different kinds of animals around us. Animals live with us are called domestic animals. For example, cat, duck, rabbit, dog, cow, camel, pigeon, sheep, hen, horse. Then, what are pet animals? We love our pets so much, don't we? Animals live with us at home are called pet animals. For example, dog, cat, hen, rabbit. Let's do an activity. Now, you have understood what are wild and domestic animals. Take a look at the activity. Mark D for domestic animals and W for wild animals. Yes, you're right. All the animals here are wild animals, which means all the animals lives in forests. Another task for you. Which of the following is wild animal? Your options are dog, lion, cat, goat. Yes, lion is the wild animal. Which of the following is domestic animal? Your options: giraffe, fox, pigeon, cheetah. Yes, pigeon is the domestic animal here. As I said earlier, animals can also be classified based on the places they live. The animals that live on land are called terrestrial animals. For example, elephant, giraffe, lion, bear. Animals like fish lives in water are called aquatic animals. Animals like frog lives both on land and water. They are called amphibians. Try to solve the question
in the next slide.
Which of the following statement is correct? Options are: frog is a terrestrial animal, which means lives on land. Frog is an aquatic animal, which means lives in water. Frog is an amphibian, which means lives both on land and water. All the statements are correct. Yes, frog is both terrestrial and aquatic animal. So we can say that frog is an amphibian. Yes, the correct answer is option C. Let's see another question. Give some examples for amphibians. Children, we have already discussed that amphibians are the animals that lives on land and water. Along with the frog, salamander and tortoise lives both on land and water. So they are called amphibians. Students, we move from one place to another place by walk. In the same way, animals move from one place to another in different ways. Birds like pigeon, crow, fly. Fishes swim. Snake and lizard crawl. Frog and kangaroo hop. Rabbits jump. See how happy it is. Dog and tiger walk like humans with their 4 legs. Let's solve an activity. Students, match the movements with the concerned animals. Movements were given on one side and the animals were given on another side. You need to match it. Yes, elephant walks, snake crawls, bird flies, fish swims. Well done. Animals are classified into 3 types according to their food habits. They are herbivores, omnivores, and carnivores. Let's learn about them in detail. Herbivores, the animals that eat grass and plant products are called herbivores. For example, giraffe, zebra, horse, elephant, sheep. What are carnivores? Carnivores are the animals that eat meat of other animals. For example, tiger. See, the tiger is eating the deer. In the same way, cheetah, fox, lion eat on meat of the animals. And the last one is, what are omnivores? Omnivores are the animals that eat both plant products and meat. For example, rat, pig, hen, bear. Yes, all these animals eat both animal and plant products, so they are known as omnivores. Till now, we have discussed the classification of animals based on food habits. Take a look at the table. Elephant, zebra, sheep are herbivores. Lion, fox, tiger are carnivores. Hen, bear, pig are omnivores. Now try to solve the question in the following slide. Which of the following is herbivore? Your options: zebra, lion, fox, tiger. Yes, zebra is the herbivore here. Students, can you guess what is the food of mosquitoes? Yes, mosquitoes suck blood from our body. Blood is the food of mosquitoes. To which category do you belong? I belong to omnivore. What about you? Students, we express our feelings in words. What about animals? Different animals communicate in different ways. The calf moves. The dog barks. The lizard squeaks. Listen it. The crow caws. The cat mews. The tiger roars. The pig brays. The cricket chirps. Here is an activity. Now try to answer the question in the next slide. There are a list of communication sounds of animals. The dog barks. The cat mews. The crow caws. The tiger grunts. The cricket chirps. The pig brays. The lizard squeaks. The cow moves. Animals helps us in many ways. Animals like honeybees, vultures and crows, hen, cow, sheep. All these helps us in many ways. Honeybees gives us nectar. Vultures and crows act as natural scavengers. Hen gives us eggs. Cow gives us milk. Sheep gives us wool and meat. Students, where do we get wool from? Yes, we get wool from sheep. Look at the picture. Vultures are natural scavengers that eat on dead animals. So far, we have discussed many things. Let's recall. Animals lives in our surroundings are called domestic animals. Animals lives in forests are called wild animals. Animals lives on land are called terrestrial animals. Animals survive in water are called aquatic animals. Animals that survive both on land and water are called amphibians. Classification based on food habits: herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. Now, try to answer the question in your own words. How can we help the animals and birds around us? Provide water and food to the animals during summer so that they can survive. Contact Red Cross, an organization that protects animals when you see an animal in dismay. Name some pet animals: dog, cat, rabbit, hen. Look at the summary. Domestic animals lives in our surroundings. Wild animals lives in forest. Animals classified based on their dwelling places: terrestrial, aquatic, amphibians. Animals classified based on their food habits: herbivores, omnivores, and carnivores. Animals use different sounds to communicate. Thank you, children.